So CDC this morning, which is Wednesday morning, employees sent Congress a letter, a very strong letter saying that this shooting, I think is what, 10 days ago now, was not random and that the response thereafter was unacceptable. And the theme that came out through this letter, which I appreciated, I wish they leaned into this a little more, but it was basically that our job is to protect the health of Americans in a very patriotic way. And when we can't do that because of fear or because of lies or because of misconceptions, the American people are hurt. I mean, it will impact them. And I thought that was the right way to do it. There was definitely a lot of emotion in it. It'll be interesting to see if Republicans even, read it. I don't think they'll act on it, but I'm really proud. I'm really proud of CDC grassroots for sending this. Over 700 CDC employees signed it. There's three things they asked in it. One is for RFK to stop spreading inaccurate health information. The second is to affirm CDC's scientific integrity. And then the third is guarantee the safety of the HHS workforce. So they stopped shy of asking for the resignation of RFK.
I want you to think about what happens in the context of another Ebola outbreak. Literally, we're sending folks from the Commission Corps who are putting their lives at risk of getting a terrible hemorrhagic disease that literally makes you bleed from your eyeballs and then die a very, very painful death in a couple of hours. They do that to protect folks in our country and abroad from the spread of this disease. That is literally putting your life at risk. I want you to think about how many nurses and doctors and hospital employees put their lives at risk during COVID at the height of the pandemic, and we didn't know how to protect them from this disease. How many of them got sick and actually died? Like, these are people who put their lives on the line, and we cannot ignore or forget that. And to have them be attacked from inside of our country, driven by mis and disinformation, driven from the very top of the agency, right? Folks who now lead that same agency, that is just a complete and utter abandonment of the responsibilities of that office, and to the idea that folks should not be pushing back, or that this is something that that should be a risky thing to be asked to be protected by your superiors. I think that that should go without saying.